If you want to charge other devices with your Realme GT 8 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can use the wired method. With a USB cable, we can connect our Realme GT 8 Pro to another device. It can be a smartphone, it can be a Bluetooth device, anything that can be charged with USB cable. So we plug it in. There we go. And there is a chance that your Realme GT 8 Pro will start charging instead. So what you can do is you can go to notifications, and sometimes we can see a notification about, there we go, about charging this device via USB. Sometimes we need to wait like a couple of seconds before it appears. But we can tap twice on this notification and then go to, well, you want to select reverse charging, and then the other device will be charged instead. In this case, we have 5 watts wired reverse charging. In addition to that, we also have the wireless method. In order to turn it on, we need to go to settings. Let me actually start from the beginning. There we go. So in settings, we need to scroll down and go to battery settings. Scroll down in battery and go to charging settings. And then here at the bottom, we have reverse wireless charging. You need to have more battery than the limit that is set up over here. And also, if you start using this method and if your battery drops to the selected percentage, then this reverse wireless charging will stop. So we can turn it on. Now we can place another device at the back of the phone. So the other device has to support wireless charging, otherwise it won't work, of course. And we can just place it on top of the back of our Realme GT 8 Pro. And there we go. If we place it correctly, as you can see, we can start charging our other device. This is how it works. And that is pretty much it. Remember that you have also 2 minutes to start charging with the reverse wireless charging method. After that, this option turns off. And with this method, we have 10 watts of reverse charging. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.